Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we all know, regression modeling is a powerful statistical tool used to analyze the relationship between variables and predict future outcomes. This video will delve into the core concepts, techniques, and applications of regression modeling. The estimation task. Understanding the goal. The estimation task is in regression modeling aims to identify a function that best describes the relationship between a dependent variable outcome and one or more independent variables predictors. This function can be used to predict future outcomes based on new data. The key considerations of estimation tasks are: when performing regression modeling, it's crucial to select appropriate variables, validate the model assumptions, and assess the quality of the fit. This ensures the model accurately reflects the underlying relationship and provides reliable predictions. Descriptive regression modeling. First of all, we need to explore relationships. Descriptive regression modeling focuses on understanding the nature of relationship between variables. It uses statistical methods to visualize and quantify the association between the dependent and independent variables. Discovering patterns. By analyzing the relationship between variables, descriptive regression modeling can help researchers identify potential trends, patterns, and insights that can guide further analysis and decision making. The application of multiple regression modeling is predicting house prices, multiple predictors, location, size, condition, etc. Multiple regression modeling can be applied to predict house prices based on multiple factors such as location, size, condition. By understanding the relationships between these variables, real estate agents and investors can make more informed decisions. Performing multiple regression modeling using Python. First of all, we need to import libraries. Begin by importing the necessary libraries like uh, stats models for model fitting and pandas for data manipulation in the regression modeling. The next step is to load and prepare data. The dataset loads containing relevant variables and prepare it for modeling by cleaning and transforming data as needed. Build a fit model is the third step. Create a regression model using appropriate function from stats models and fit the model to the prepared data. Specify the dependent and independent variables. Fourth and the last step is analyzing the results. Examine the model output to interpret coefficients, assess model fit, and evaluate the significance of predictors. Now, we will perform multiple regression modeling using Python. Then we will evaluate estimation modeling using Python. First, uh, we need to find the R square. What is R square? It is a measure. It measures the proportion of variance in the dependent variable explained by the model, indicating its goodness of fit. Adjusting the R square accounts for the number of predictors in the model, providing a more accurate measure of fit when comparing models with different numbers of predictors. P value. It indicates the significance of the models over overall fit and the significance of individuals' predictor coefficients. The F statistic tests the overall significance of the model, indicating whether there is a statistically significant relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Now, what are stepwise regression in Python? Forward selection. Begin with a null model and add predictors one at a time based on their significance, low p-value, until the model fit improves significantly. The process is repeated until no further improvement is observed. Backward elimination. Start with a model containing all potential predictors and remove predictors one by one based on their significance, high p-value, until the model fit is no longer significantly affected. Stepwise selection. A combination of forward and backward selection where predictors are added and removed iteratively based on their significance, allowing for more flexible model building. Baseline models for regressions are: first one is simpler linear regression, a model that uses a single independent variable to predict the dependent variable. While simple, it can serve as straight point for understanding the relationship between two variables. Constant model, a model that predicts the dependent variable based on the average value of dependent variable. It serves as a reference point for evaluating the performance of more complex models. Multiple regression model, a model that uses multiple independent variables to predict the dependent variable, capturing more complex relationships and providing potentially more accurate predictions.